judge has dropped 2 terror charges against Luigi Mangione, but did say the man accused of gunning down a health insurance executive will still face trial for second-degree murder. Mangione appearing in a Manhattan courthouse for the murder last year of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. The judge saying the evidence put forth for the terrorism charges was legally insufficient. Our New York correspondent Jessica Masurier reports.
Luigi Mangione was led into the Manhattan courtroom with shackles on his feet, wearing tan-coloured prison garb. Crowds outside of the courthouse cheered in celebration after the judge in his state murder case ruled that terrorism charges brought against the accused killer should be dropped. Well, this is a huge blow to prosecutors. The judge dismissed 2 criminal counts against Mangione over the killing of the UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson back in December last year. He said that there was not enough evidence to justify the charges. Now, prosecutors had argued that writings left by Mangione showed a terrorism motive, but the judge said that they failed to convince him that the suspect planned to put political pressure on the government or terrorise the general public. The 27-year-old will, however, face charges of murder in the second degree, and if convicted, he could face a minimum sentence of between 15 to 25 years in prison. Now, today's hearing was for the New York State murder case, but he also faces separate federal charges which carry a possible death penalty. Now, Mangione has pleaded not guilty to all of the charges brought against him. Thompson was shot and killed on December 4th outside a Manhattan hotel. The killing of conservative activist Charlie Kirk last week's really heightened concerns about political violence here in the United States. Now, while the killing of Thompson's been widely condemned by public officials across the political spectrum, Mangione has become kind of a folk hero to some people here in the United States who are outraged about the cost of healthcare. So the judge here in New York has ruled that the trial hearings will begin on December 1st. Mangione is, in the meantime, being held in a prison in Brooklyn.